Friends, today I want to talk to you about something that can truly change your life. If you are over 60, if your legs are not as strong as they used to be, if you wake up in the morning with knee pain so bad it feels like your joints were beaten all night, if walking to the bathroom feels like a struggle, if every step brings fear that you might fall and break a bone, then please don't skip this video. This message is for you. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking this is old age and pain is normal. You are thinking this is how life will be now. But let me ask you one honest question. Did you ever imagine that the legs which carried you your whole life, the legs that helped you work, run, raise your children and support your family, would one day stop supporting you? This pain is not only in your body. It is in your eyes when you watch your grandchildren play but cannot join them. It is in your heart when you start feeling like a burden on your own family. It is in your nights when leg pain and cramps do not let you sleep. But what if I tell you this can change? What if I tell you that the solution is already in your kitchen? What if I tell you that in just 15 days, you can start feeling a real difference? This is not magic and this is not a fake promise. This is what science supports, what nutrition experts agree on, and what truly works. Today I am sharing a few simple foods. You soak them in water at night and eat them in the morning. That's it. Simple, natural, and powerful. Soaked fenugreek seeds and walnuts may look ordinary, but when soaked overnight, they become very powerful for weak legs and painful joints. Soaking helps release calcium, magnesium, protein, and healthy fats that your body can easily absorb. Fenugreek helps calm swelling and stiffness in the joints, while walnuts support muscle repair and joint strength. All you need to do is soak a small amount of fenugreek seeds and a couple of walnuts in water at night. In the morning, drink the water first and then chew and eat them slowly. Another powerful combination is black sesame seeds and raisins. Black sesame seeds are rich in calcium, which is essential for strong bones, and raisins help your body absorb that calcium properly. When soaked, these foods become easier to digest and more effective. Taken regularly, they help improve bone strength and make walking feel safer and more stable. If your knees make cracking sounds when you walk and feel dry and painful, flax seeds and dates can help. Flax seeds act like natural oil for your joints, reducing swelling and improving movement. Dates relax tight muscles and support the nerves. When soaked overnight, flax seeds release a gel-like substance that helps lubricate the joints from inside, making movement smoother and less painful. If you have noticed your legs becoming thinner, weaker, and less steady, this is a warning sign you should not ignore. Weak muscles increase the risk of falls and serious injury. White muesli supports muscle strength and recovery, while soaked almonds nourish the nerves and muscles deeply. Together, they help bring strength back to tired and shrinking muscles when taken regularly. Many people also suffer from sudden leg cramps at night that wake them up in pain. Fennel seeds and fox nuts work gently but effectively for this problem. Fennel seeds help relax tight muscles, and fox nuts support bone health while calming the body. When soaked overnight and taken in the morning, they help reduce nighttime cramps and improve sleep quality. Remember one important thing. These natural remedies work only when taken consistently. Not for one day, not for 2 days, but at least 15 days without stopping. Your body needs time to heal and rebuild. Now the choice is yours. You can ignore this and continue living with pain and fear, or you can start today and give your legs the care and strength they truly deserve. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your elders, and subscribe for more simple and natural health tips.